how to turn off see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days on your TikTok account. Today we'll show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, go to profile, open profile, then go to this three line, then go to settings and privacy, then go to privacy, go down to profile views, click, then turn on this blue icon, turn off, make it look like this, and that's it. It will work with you. That's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next.